In this session, I will be explaining how to use exact operator. Exact operator is nothing but the lossless operator. It is a constructor that executes either a lossless calculation or a lossless assignment. If data is lost in either case, the exception is triggered. If argument is compatible with the type declared after that type, then it's a lossless assignment. Exact doesn't perform any check and syntax check will be produced. Here is an example how the lossless operator works. Exact. A lossless calculation doesn't perform any roundings. It tries to do any rounding, the exception will appear like CXSY conversion rounding. That's why we say lossless. It will not lose anything. The complete value will be shown. We have to note that point is a lossless assignment is an assignment where the value of the source is valid for each type and there's no data losses during the assignment that's going to happen. The converted value of the target is a valid for each type. So these are the no points to be noted when you're using the exact operator. That's all about the use of the lossless operator, that's an exact operator, to retain the values without rounding, and the exception that arises when the rounding actually happens. Thank you for watching.